Hello everyone. I have your ball pen uh, module and then pocketbook dictionary. This pocketbook dictionary, this helps me a lot because this pocket dictionary is since I am in high school. This helped me to visualize all I want. And then I will explain to you how pocketbook helps in visual learner. Okay? Pocketbook Dictionary enhance your learning visual learning through several key features to offer visual association with illustration and diagram, improve spatial memories through physical interaction, and allow personal color coding and portability of this dictionary. Enable to immediate visual reinforcement while their organized structures and lack of digital distractions promote focused study. Additionally, the tactile experience customization options such as adding notes and drawing increase with definitions. Pocketbook dictionaries strengthen memories link, making it easier for visual learners to recall and understand new words. This is how it works for visual learner. Hello everyone. I'm here to present to you this radio, how it works for auditory learning. This is called a radio. And then I will explain to you how radio is very helpful for an auditory learner or learners. Okay. Radio is a highly effectively tools for auditory learner delivering information through style with diverse content like news, education, discussion, and storytelling. Radio provides various auditory stimuli that maintain interest and focus by fostering activity listening without visual reaction. It enhances comprehension and recall, making accessibility and engaging auditory learning experience for learner language, understand complex concept, and staying the information. Sometimes, uh, being a auditory learner, you can get what you want to hear, and then if you hear that kind of thing, you can your brain will be engaged, and then you know what to do. This radio helps for auditory learner. Hello everyone. I have a materials here can help the reading and writing learner. I have here module, my mobile, and then while watching, and then while watching, I'm taking down notes what I hear of the class, taking down notes, um, textbook, or anything that I can hear. And then I will explain to you how reading and writing works as a learner. This is how it works for reading and writing learner. I will explain to you how it works for reading and writing learner. Reading and writing learner is significant benefits for a learner reinforce information, visual kinesthetic reading, allow to deeper understanding through active engagement, like in hand highlight and annotating, promoting critical thinking, while writing enable to structured process and articulation of knowledge, improving communication skill. This dual comprehension for a well-rounded learner experience. So, as you see, I have here my phone as a material and a module and then one a scratch of paper to take down notes. All I hear and I read to use this for an exam or something personal or a meeting. So I'll take down notes what is the information that I want to learn or to have. Okay. Hello. And last is the kinesthetic learner. This kinesthetic learner is a movement, experiment, or hands-on activities. And then later on, I will show you a video that makes you adapt how kinesthetic learner works. But I will explain to you how kinesthetic learner helpful for a learner same as me. Kinesthetic learner benefits on hand and experience physical engagement, making learning or learners more active and memorable. Actively participating in active activities, experiment, or stimulation allow them to direct, apply concept and gaps abstract idea in a practical context. This tactile approach fosters deeper connection with the subject matter, promoting better retention, recall, and improved problem solving through dynamic, impressive learning experience. Vamos pulling girl in a winner. Hey!